Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the GE dishwasher tub to cabinet trim. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new tub to cabinet trim. The tub to cabinet trim seals the tub to the cabinet. The main reason you'll be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged. In order to change the part, we have to pull the dishwasher out a little bit. So we're going to open up the door, use the Phillips screwdriver to take out the screws that hold it to the countertop. Now that we have the screws out, we're going to lift up on the door and then use it to just carefully pull the dishwasher out so we can grab the frame. And then we're only going to pull it out enough so we have access to the tub to cabinet trim. There's a tub to cabinet trim on each side. It's just pressed onto the tub, so all you have to do is carefully pull it off. Once you have it free, you can pull it off the dishwasher. Here's the old tub to cabinet trim next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you're putting the new tub to cabinet trim on, you want to make sure that the bend is going forward so it seals when you push it in. And then you just have to line the little channel up onto the tub and push it into place. Now that we have the new trim installed, we can push the dishwasher back into the cabinets. Once you have it pushed in, you can open up the door and use the Phillips screwdriver to put in the screws that hold it to the countertop. Once you have the screws in, we can close the dishwasher door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.